Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the project wrap-up for my Hope and Faith pad from CraftSmart. I have managed to use up this whole pad during the month of July and made a lot of different great projects with it. So you have seen all of these projects in other videos, and I will include the playlist for this pad project in the description box below, so in case you missed any of the project shares, or I did do a bag tutorial, they will all be linked in that playlist below, so you can go check out them for more details. So today I'm just going to kind of share with you in total what all I got out of this pad. So I got 128 cards. And let's see if well, first I'm just going to show you, I got 4 gift bags. And again, I did do a tutorial on how I made these. They are the full 12 by 12 image for 3 of them. So I got that one, this one, and I'm just like actually storing them in one of the other bags. And then there's this one, these beautiful images. And then I did get like a 6 by 8 one using 2 of the cut-aparts as well. Okay, so now I can get that out of the way. So 128 cards. You have seen all of these in various videos. I got these are all A2 size cards. Some of them are like a fun fold. A lot of them are normal. I have 2 of these, and I think this is probably one of my favorite cards. Very simple, but I love the sentiment, and I love that focal image. And then I do like the Z folds. Those were pretty fun as well. So the bulk of my cards were A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. But then I did get some other larger. So these are 5 by 7s. I got 4 of the 5 by 7s, and then 2 slimline cards out of there as well. So a lot of Christmas cards. And then I got the 2 6 by 6 photo cards, and I also showed these in more detail in my last project share video. I got 1 hot cocoa packet, 4 of they're like the double pocket Ghirardelli holders or tea bag holders, whatever you would want to put in them. I got 4 of those. And then I ended up getting 27 tags. And I feel like some of them are missing. I got a whole bunch of the like little mini card type tags. And there should have been 2 other tags, and then the tags that I got from my pad cover that I made the chipboard size tags. So 27 tags out of that pad. So I think I did pretty good on using up this paper and finding ways to use the different cut-aparts and those big size papers. And I know somebody had actually specifically requested I use this pad, and I know I started it. Oh, and I forgot to add to this, I also got some block sets and ornaments, which those will be included. I don't necessarily have those anymore. I sold some of them at our craft shows last Christmas time. But those are included in the playlist when I shared those. So I had totally forgotten about those because I didn't have those in front of me. But anyway, somebody had asked me to use this specific pad last Christmas time, and I didn't get a chance to start it until right before Christmas. Didn't get very far on it, and then decided just to kind of put it away for a while and come back to it this summer because I was kind of over Christmas by that point. So I'm glad I waited because I feel like I had more energy and creativity to put into this pad. But whoever requested it, I apologize, I don't remember who it was at this point, but I hope you got some ideas on how to use up this pad, and then along the way there are others of you who said you had this pad as well, or some that were similar. So I hope that you all got some good ideas. One of the things I try to do is not just to make cards. I know most of my subscribers and viewers are card makers, but there are other ones who do craft shows or like to make papercraft gifts for different occasions throughout the year, and sometimes it's just nice to have different ways to use up that paper. So that's what I try to share on my channel, and I feel like I did a pretty good job of variety with this pad. And again, using some of the specific cut-aparts, the project specific to using up different cut-aparts that were in the pad. So it was a lot of fun, and I'm, again, glad I waited, because I think I enjoyed it way more this summer than I would have at the end of Christmas time, Christmas season last year, because I would have been working on it into January. And by that point, we've been crafting for Christmas for several months, so usually we're done. So it was a good thing I waited, and so I appreciate all of you who patiently waited for me to get back to this pad and to see what I made from it. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. Again, the playlist will have more details and links to the things that I've made along the way. But I thank you guys so much for following along on this pad project with me. It's the first time in a long time that I've killed a whole pad within 1 month's time, and I feel good about that as well. It was a fun and successful Christmas and July month for me, for sure. But again, hope you guys got some ideas, some inspiration, and thank you so much for all of your support and your ideas and suggestions, and for your patience, and for watching and following along with me on these projects. But thanks again, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.